Welcome back to SaaS Beast Pro, your go-to spot for smarter software settings and smoother workflows. Today we're diving into 7 Zoom settings on PC you must change before meetings to look sharper, sound clearer, and stay in control. These quick tweaks will instantly upgrade your Zoom experience. Now let's get started. Number 1. Disable Mirror, My Video. Mirroring can flip your video and make gestures or text appear reversed, which can be distracting during meetings. Turning it off ensures your video looks natural to others. It's a small fix with a big impact. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open the Zoom app on your PC. Make sure you're signed in to access your settings. Step 2. Click the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. This is where all your Zoom preferences live. Step 3. Select the Video tab from the left sidebar. Step 4. Under the Camera section, find the option labeled Mirror My Video. Step 5. Uncheck the box next to Mirror My Video. Your video will now appear exactly as others see it. And that's one setting down, but the next ones are even more powerful. Stick around to fine-tune your audio, security, and screen sharing like a pro. Number 2. Enable HD video quality. Turning on HD video makes your camera feed sharper and more professional, especially in client-facing or team meetings. It helps you look more polished and presentable on screen. Just one toggle can elevate your visual presence. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Open the Zoom desktop app and sign in with your account. Step 2. Click your profile picture in the top right corner to open the drop-down menu. Step 3. Select Settings from the menu to access your Zoom preferences. Step 4. Click the Video and Effects tab on the left sidebar. Step 5. Under the Camera section, find the HD video toggle and click to enable it. Your video will now stream in high definition. Looking crisp is just the beginning. Next, we'll tackle audio and privacy settings that make a real difference. Let's keep going. Number 3. Turn off. Touch-up appearance. This feature adds a soft filter to your face, but it can blur details and reduce video clarity. Turning it off keeps your image sharp and authentic, especially in professional settings. It's a quick way to boost visual credibility. Let's do it. Step 1. Sign in to the Zoom desktop app using your account credentials. Step 2. Click your profile picture in the top right corner to open the drop-down menu. Step 3. Select Settings to access your Zoom preferences. Step 4. Click the Video tab from the left sidebar. Step 5. Find the Touch Up My Appearance toggle and click to turn it off. Your video will now appear without any softening filter. Nice! Now your video looks clean and natural. Up next, we'll tweak audio settings to make sure you sound just as sharp. Number 4. Mute microphone when joining. Automatically muting your mic when entering a meeting prevents background noise or accidental interruptions. It's a simple way to start meetings professionally and avoid awkward moments. This setting is especially useful in busy environments. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open the Zoom desktop app on your PC. Step 2. Sign in if you're not already logged in. Step 3. Click your profile picture and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. In the left-hand menu, click on Meetings and Webinars. Step 5. Scroll to the section labeled When Joining Meetings and Webinars. Step 6. Toggle on the option for Keep My Microphone Muted. This ensures your mic stays off when you enter any session. That's one less thing to worry about when joining a call. Next up, we'll lock down your meeting security with a quick privacy boost. Number 5. Disable joined sound notifications. Those entry and exit chimes might seem harmless, but they can quickly disrupt focus in larger meetings. Disabling them keeps the session quiet and distraction-free. It's a subtle tweak that improves overall flow. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Sign in to your Zoom account using the web portal at zoom.us. Step 2. In the left-hand navigation menu, click on Settings. Step 3. Select the Meeting tab, then scroll down to In Meeting Basic. Step 4. Find the option labeled Sound Notification when someone joins or leaves. Step 5. Click the toggle to disable it. This turns off the chime for all future meetings. Now your meetings can start and end without the extra noise. Next, we'll lock down your sessions with a security feature that keeps uninvited guests out. Number 6. Enable waiting room for security. The waiting room feature gives you control over who enters your meeting and when. It's a simple way to prevent unwanted guests and protect sensitive discussions. Enabling it adds a layer of security to every session. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Sign in to your Zoom account using the web portal at zoom.us. Step 2. Navigate to Settings from the left-hand menu. Step 3. Click the Meeting tab to view meeting-related options. Step 4. Scroll to the Security section and find the Waiting Room toggle. Step 5. Click the toggle to enable it. If it's grayed out, contact your Zoom administrator to unlock it. Now your meetings are locked down and guest ready. Next, we'll clean up your screen sharing settings to keep things distraction-free. Number 7. Turn off screen share. Annotation. At the last, we need to stop others from scribbling on your shared screen. Disabling annotations keeps your presentation clean and distraction-free. It's a simple way to stay in control during screen sharing. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Start sharing your screen during a Zoom meeting. Step 2. Look for the Annotation control bar, usually located at the top of your screen. Step 3. Click the More button on that bar to open extra options. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select Disable Annotation for others. This blocks participants from drawing on your screen. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to SAS Beast Pro for more smart settings and pro-level tutorials.